Get a Chinese perspective on this Indian Mars mission. Joining me on the phone is Tang Jianchun, who's Director for the Center of Arms Control at the China Institute of International Studies. Thanks for making the time to be with us. So only the United States, Europe and Russia have so far successfully sent probes that have orbited or landed on Mars. Now, if this launch is successful, where would India rank among global space powers?
We cannot say succeed in the mission because it's only a launching of the vehicles. It's only at the very beginning stage of the mission, and the Indian government attached great importance to the outer space technology development and allocated a lot of money in recent years. But I think the project actually require a long distance for the scientists to go because the difficulties they are facing now. This is only at the very beginning of the mission, but we should say congratulations for the achievement made by the Indian scientists this time.
Yes, that's right. It is, as you say, just the first step of a mission to Mars. Just explain to us about the challenges the orbiter will face when it reaches the red planet.
According to the history of the exploration of Mars, only maybe 1/3 of the launching succeeded in the landing on the surface of Mars by the former Soviet Union, now Russia and the United States and the European countries. But because of the long distance, the distance from our Earth to Mars is about 60 million kilometers or to 100 million kilometers. So such a long distance required, your strong capability in remote control, not only the flight of the vehicles, but also how can the vehicle enter the orbit of the Mars and how can the orbit land on the Mars. That should be a lot of difficulties, for the Indian. I think, though a lot of importance attached to the this program, but I don't think they require the most advanced technology in this regard as compared with the United States and Russia.
All right, many thanks indeed for giving us a perspective on that. Tang Jianchun, who's Director for the Center of Arms Control at the China Institute of International Studies.